Use polynomial long division to simplify this rational expression. A rational expression is the ratio of two polynomials where the polynomial in the denominator cannot be zero. To use polynomial long division to simplify this rational expression, divide the numerator by the denominator. We'll use this template to do the long division. The numerator or dividend goes here, so we write 2x squared plus 6x minus 8. The denominator or divisor goes here, so we write x plus 4. The dividend is of degree 2, and the divisor is of degree 1. To match this leading term, we multiply this expression by 2x, and we get 2x squared plus 8x. Subtracting this product from the dividend, we get the x squared terms cancel out. 6x minus 8x is negative 2x, and then we bring down this term. So we have negative 2x minus 8. To match this leading term, we multiply this expression by negative 2. So negative 2 times x is negative 2x. Negative 2 times 4 is negative 8. Subtracting one term from the other, since they're identical, we get 0. Since there is no remainder, the simplified form of this expression, 2x squared plus 6x minus 8 divided by x plus 4, is equal to this expression, 2x minus 2.